Hey y'all. Okay, so I just got a last minute request to audition for a commercial, and I need my hair to look more like what it looks like in my headshots, which is more defined. So this is not gonna cut it. So I am going to very quickly do a wash and go kind of situation, but like not my normal one, not a full wash day. I'm literally just going to do a super quick routine that's gonna help to get my hair a little bit more defined. I'm not necessarily using super healthy products. I'm not necessarily, again, I'm not going through a whole wash day, so this is not something that I would do on a weekly basis, but I did want to show y'all what it is that I'm about to do when I have a time crunch, because I literally just got this today and I have to self-record my audition, and it's due tomorrow at 2 p.m. So yeah, this has to be swift. Gotta learn lines and everything, so I don't have a bunch of time. So yeah, stay tuned. We'll see how this goes. Okay, so since I'm going for really quick, easy, and relatively defined, I usually will just use, for those kind of wash days where I'm just doing something really quick and not necessarily looking to properly cleanse my hair or anything like that. I use products that I know aren't the greatest for my hair that I didn't want to throw away. This is the Gold Series Deep Hydrating Co-Wash by Pantene. And this is some clear ice gel, some random gel from the store, y'all. Again, these are not products that I recommend. These are the products that I had and I didn't want to throw away, so I use them on times like this. But right now, I am just really thoroughly wetting my hair. Just making sure that the water is getting all up in there. And of course, light finger detangling, but that's not really the purpose. Praying hands method is really great for this. You can hit a little jig too. Alrighty, look at them. Look at them curls. Look at you little curlies. Ah! Alright, so we're going in with this co-wash first. Taking out shed hairs along the way. Just work it through, and again, light finger detangle. Like I just said, we're kind of taking out some of those shed hairs along the way. So it's got a lot of slip because it's got silicones in it. So the next time I actually wash my hair, I'll probably clarify it to get those silicones out. But for now, it's fine. It's not a big deal as long as you use them responsibly. That's how I feel, at least. Okay, so my hair is not thoroughly detangled, but it's detangled enough for my purposes for today. So I'm going to rinse out this product and then go in with the gel. Definitely still feel that there's like residue left over on my hair, just because my hair feels like a different kind of smooth than it does when I clean it properly, when I cleanse it properly. Shed hairs. Look at the little curls. I love my curls, y'all. Can you tell? Okay, so the product is rinsed. Like I keep trying to rinse more because it still feels like there's product in my hair, but there's not. It's just the buildup, kind of. Now I'm about to go in with the gel. So I still want to have soaking wet hair when I'm going in with this gel to make sure that it comes out defined. Look at those! Okay, girls. And then I'm gonna go in with the gel. I feel like looking at my hair, it looks like I have so much more than I feel like I have when I'm actually doing it. Okay, ready for the dryer. That was super quick. Even with recording and giving instructions, that was about 15 minutes in the shower. Now I'm gonna go sit under the dryer. This was my shed hair, so even though I was moving fast, didn't lose a lot of hair. Okay, I am going to go sit under the dryer and then I will show you my finished results once I get back. I've already set my dryer up before I got into the shower so that I can come and just immediately turn it on and sit down. Hold up, before I dry it, let me see if I can, y'all. Look at this little curl in the front. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna stop now. Let me get under this dryer. I'm gonna set it on my Ionics, always on, high heat, high speed. Okay, so the top of my hair is dry, but the bottom of my hair is not. So I'm actually about to diffuse the bottom of my hair and make sure that the inside of my hair is all the way dry as well. You can check out my video on how I properly dry and diffuse my natural hair to get maximum definition. And I'll come back to show you the results for these products that I use today. Okay, I haven't fluffed it or anything, but here's my results. Here, let's get up against a wall so you can get into these curls. Look at those. And Layla's in there barking. But, yes, you can see the definition. So this is not too shabby. This is not bad at all. I hope this was helpful for anyone who needs to do their hair in a pinch like me.